Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's 2-minute tip video, I want to show you how to identify male and female flowers on your squash and zucchini plant. It's the same for both plant types. So you want to have male flowers opening and female flowers opening at the same time. This way the insects can cross-pollinate. Well, they can pollinate from the male flower to the female flower, and your squash will be viable, which means it will continue to grow, your zucchini will continue to grow. And this is a female flower, there's always a squash on the bottom of a female flower. If the female flower opens and doesn't get pollen from a male flower, then this squash is going to die off. It'll get a brown tip and it will die off. So a female flower looks just like this. There's a little tiny squash and a flower tip forming. And they grow bigger. This one's already opened, but they end up opening just like that. And when it's open, it only lasts for about a day. You want to have a male flower that opens, and this is a male flower. It's just a stem and then a flower bud. And I don't see any male flowers open. This is a male flower too. It's just a long stem and then the flower. So female, female, below that is a male flower. Over on this side, you can see the little squash. So that's what you're looking for. Is anytime there's a squash behind a flower, that's a female flower. Let's see what's over here on the zucchini. So there's the zucchini. There's the flower just open. There are no male flowers, so this one probably won't get pollinated. That's another zucchini right there. And I don't see, oh, here's a male flower. So right down here, there's just a stem and a flower. That's going to be a male flower. So we covered that. So what happens? Your plants may be out of sync when they get growing and get started. They may have too many male flowers, no female flowers, or vice versa. Eventually the plant catches up and you will have opening male flowers, opening female flowers. The pollinators will do their thing. If this gets pollinated, it will turn into a nice big green zucchini. If it doesn't, it'll eventually shrivel up, it'll get a brown tip, and it'll look terrible. But that's just because it's a pollination issue. Anyway, hope that makes sense. You can't change how your plant is flowering. You just got to keep it watered, keep it fed, and let nature do its thing. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.